Hey guys, how are you doing? Recently, I have uploaded a video about Google Photos partial upload problem and how to fix it. In this video, we are going to see more like a continuation of it. Like if you had auto backup feature turned on with Google Photos app, then the previous video tips will help you. The troubleshooting steps will help you to fix it. I'll leave a link to that video in the description and in the first pinned comment. If you have the problem of auto backup sync feature is not working, then you can check that out. But if you are a person like me who manually upload the photos and videos from your iPhone Photos app to the Google Photos app for manual backup because you have plenty of screenshots and other unnecessary photos and videos that you don't want to backup, or in case of duplicate photos and videos you want to save storage space and you want to keep things organized, then manually uploading by selecting the photos and videos from your Photos app to the Google Photos app will be an efficient way to manage the storage and keep things organized. So in such cases, after you select the files and create a new album, you may think that the photos and videos you have selected automatically uploaded. But with recent updates, and there are plenty of issues going on with Google Photos app, I've been using it for several years, so it is not easy for me to switch to any other app right now. So I have to find a way to fix the problem that the photos I have selected is partially uploaded or some photos haven't uploaded at all. Once the upload is complete, you will see a cloud icon at the bottom right corner or top right corner of an image or a video. But even after several minutes of keeping the Google Photos app open and leaving the Wi-Fi connection on and even charging your iPhone, and you have followed all the troubleshooting steps that I have suggested in the previous video, and still the manual upload is not happening to the Google Photos app to your Google account, then you need to try the manual forcing of backup now feature. We kind of have to reselect the photos and videos that are missing the cloud symbol or icon, and then you need to access the options here at the bottom. You need to scroll down a little bit to access the backup option. So tapping on this backup button will force the Google to backup immediately all those contents, and you will see the progress window. I have already submitted a feedback to Google Photos app, and if you have a time, you can submit a feedback by navigating inside the profile page. Scroll down to the last and click on the help and feedback to send a feedback that you need the proper progress icon in case of manual uploads of photos and videos on your iPhone or iPad. So Google had it before, and I'm not sure why they have removed it, but now it is not possible to track the upload status unless you're using the full backup auto backup feature. I don't want to back up everything to the Google Photos. So in that case, the manual backup is also kind of broken and not working properly for most users. And this manual push of selecting the photos, reselecting the photos that is not having the cloud symbol that you have already decided to upload, then the backup option will definitely work immediately. So within few minutes, depending on the number of files you select, it will be done, and then you can safely delete those photos and videos from your iPhone Photos app. Before that, avoid deleting any photos because the partial upload is not an original quality or a full good quality photo and video that you have taken. It will be like a very low resolution upload. You will end up losing your precious memories if you haven't verified that the photos have been uploaded to the Google Photos or not before deleting them from your device. And just to give a quick heads up, if you're looking for a family medicine tracker app, do check out Kevio. I'll leave a link to this in the description and in the first pinned comment. You can track all your medications, your family medications like your parents or your kids. You can keep a tab on all their medication history and receive proper notification to let them know that whether they have properly taken that medication, injections, and even the doctor appointments, reviews, and any tests that normally have to be run for certain medical conditions. You can keep a track of everything in this all-in-one medicine tracker application. Leave a link to this in the description and in the first comment. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.